Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Begin by adjusting seat height and steering reach so you sit 10-12 inches from the steering wheel and can fully depress pedals. Fasten your seatbelt and check mirrors and blind spots before you start moving. With your right foot on the brake, press the ignition or start button, then shift from P to D. Release the parking brake, cover the brake with your heel, and gently press the accelerator to move off smoothly while monitoring traffic and road signs. Drive with smooth inputs. Feather the accelerator and steer with both hands for control. Use a 2-second following distance at city speeds and 3 seconds on highways to allow safe stopping room. Brake smoothly with your right foot and cover the brake when approaching intersections or hazards to reduce abrupt stops. If you need more engine braking on hills, switch to manual mode and use the plus/paddles or shift gate to hold a lower gear. This prevents excessive brake wear and improves control. When approaching a parking space, slow gradually and signal in advance. Use reverse slowly while checking the rear camera, rearview mirror, and both side mirrors, and turn the steering wheel to align the car within the space. After stopping, shift to P and set the parking brake. On a hill, turn wheels toward the curb, and when facing uphill, turn wheels away from the curb if required. Turn off the ignition and remove the key or press the engine start-stop button. Then lock the car and confirm windows are closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.